Hello my dear students of standard 9th. In the previous videos we have seen about trigonometrical ratios. Now today in this video we will solve some of the problems. I will clear some of your doubts and some of the problems from different books. Clear? Okay. Now the first one is ABC is the triangle. AB is equal to 15, BD is 9, CD is 16 and AC is 20, AD 12. All the sides are given. Then this angle is theta, this angle is phi, this is beta, this is alpha. These are given. Now you are asked to find, to prove, first bit is to prove theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. This is first bit. You are asked to prove theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. Then you are asked to find two right angle triangles in this triangle ABC. Third one is to find sin alpha, cos beta, and third one is tan phi. Now prove. You see, you all have to know what is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides. So here you see, you find out AB square plus AC square. Now AB square plus AC square is equal to 15 square plus 20 square. And that is equal to 15 square is how much? 225 plus 400. Now this is equal to 625. Clear? Now how much is BC? BC is BD plus CD. So 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So how much is BC square? BC square is equal to 25 square, that is equal to 625. So AB square plus AC square is 625, AB square plus AC square is 625 and BC square is 625. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So sum of the squares of these two sides is equal to the square of this side. Therefore, hence theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. This is converse Pythagoras theorem. Sum of the squares of two sides is equal to square of the third side. So the opposite angle of this largest side must be a right angle. So theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. Proved. Then you are asked to find two more right angle triangles in this triangle ABC. Now children, you see in the triangle ABD. Look at this triangle ABD. In this, AB is 15 given. 15 square is how much? 225. Now BD is 9. 9 square is how much? 81. 9 square is 81. Now this AD is 12. 12 square is how much? 144. So 81 plus 144 is 225. So this is BD square plus AD square is 225. AB square, that is 15 square is 225. So AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. Therefore, this must be 90 degree. So ADB or ABD is a right angle triangle. Similarly, this side ACD triangle, this is 12. 12 square is 144. This is 16. 16 square is 256. So 144 plus 256 is how much? 400. Now AC square is how much? 20 square, that is 400. So AD square plus CD square is equal to AC square. Therefore, ADC is 90 degree. So what are the two right angle triangles? ABD and ACD are the two other right angle triangles that are there in this triangle ABC. Now you are asked to find sine alpha. What is sine of an angle? Sine of an angle is opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine alpha is opposite side 12 by 15. Then second one you are asked to find cos beta. Now cos beta is cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos beta is 16 by 20. Then you can cancel by 4. It is 4 by 5. Then tan phi. Phi is this angle. Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent side. So tan phi is 16 by 12. Cancel by 4. So this is 4 by 3. Clear? This is the solution of this. Now children, this is second question. This is from your book, question number 30. Textbook, question number 30. This is some of your doubts. Now here it is given 5 sin theta is equal to 3. 5 sin theta is equal to 3. You are asked to find 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta whole divided by tan theta. Now finding or solution. 5 sin theta is equal to 3 given. This is given. Now this implies sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. This we got from the given. Now consider this triangle ABC, right angle triangle. So this angle is theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So it is AB by AC. AB by AC. Therefore, AB by AC is equal to 3 by 5. AB by AC is equal to 3 by 5. This we got from given sin theta. And according to definition, sin theta is AB by AC, therefore AB by AC is equal to 3 by 5. So I can take here, if AB is equal to 3x, then AC is equal to 5x. AB by AC is 3 by 5. So if AB is 3x, AC will be 5x. AB is 3x or 3k, isn't it? AC is 5x or 5k. You need to take a proportionality constant x or k. You cannot take 3 and 5. Some of the books it is taken as 3 and 5. AB by AC is 3 by 5. So this is 3, this is 5. That is wrong. Ratio is 3 by 5. AB by AC is 3 by 5. That doesn't mean AB is 3, AC is 5. AB may be 300, AC may be 500. AB may be 3 lakhs, AC may be 5 lakhs. AB may be 6, AC may be 10. So the ratio is 3 by 5. So you cannot take this is 3, that is 5. This is 3x, that is 5x. Now use Pythagoras theorem and find BC. We do not know this side. After knowing this side, we can find out any T ratio. So now AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is from Pythagoras theorem. Now this implies AB is 3x, so 3x whole square plus BC square is equal to 5x whole square. Now that implies 9x square plus bc square is equal to 25x square. Now that implies bc square is equal to 25x square minus 9x square. That is equal to how much? 16x square. Therefore, bc is equal to square root of 16x square. So that is 4x. So bc is 4x. Now you know all the sides, AB, BC and AC, so we can find out anything, any T ratios. Now we are asked to find this. So now 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta divided by tan theta. Now that is equal to 5. What is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So 5 into 3x by 5x minus 2 into cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So 4x by 5x whole by, let me put bracket here, otherwise you confuse. Now this is tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So 3x by 4x. Now cancel all these x will cancel. Now this is equal to, this 5 will cancel here. So this is 3 minus 8 by 5 divided by 3 by 4. Now that is equal to, here LCM is 5, then 5 into 3, this is 15 minus 8 whole by 3 by 4. Now that is equal to how much? 15 minus 8 is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 into 4 by 3. Now that is equal to 28 by 15. Now that is equal to, you should not leave like this in improper fraction. Change it into mixed fraction. 1 whole 13 by 15. So this is your answer. Correct? So this is the solution for this. Now the next one, third one, this is your question number 29. This also someone was asking the doubt. Here it is given sin theta is equal to a by square root a square plus b square. You are asked to prove b sin theta is equal to a cos theta. Now prove. Sin theta is equal to a by square root a square plus b square. This is given. Now from the triangle, let us take this triangle, right angle triangle ABC, angle C is theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is AB by AC. So here sin theta is the a by root over a square plus b square given, but we know sin theta is equal to this. So AB by, therefore AB by AC is equal to a by square root a square plus b square. Now, so let us take if AB is equal to AX, if AB is equal to AX, then AC will be equal to, then AC is equal to X into root over A square plus B square. Let me write X first, otherwise it may come inside the square root. So X root over A square plus B square. So AB is AX and AC is X root over A square plus B square. Now BC we do not know. So let us find out BC. How will you find BC? By using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now this implies AB is what? AX. So AX whole square plus BC we do not know, we are going to find out, and AC is X root over A square plus B square. So this is whole square. Now this implies a square x square plus bc square is equal to x square, and this root square will cancel, so into a square plus b square. Now this implies bc square is equal to, multiply this is a square x square plus b square x square, then this take this to that side, minus a square x square. So this minus a square x square plus a square x square cancelled. What is left? B square x square. So BC square is B square x square. Therefore, how much is BC? Therefore, BC is equal to root over this, root over B square x square, that is equal to BX. Clear? So we got BC. BC is now BX. So now we know all the three sides. Now you are asked to prove B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. Now let me find tan theta here. Tan theta. Now what is tan of an angle? It is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side of theta is what? AX. This is AX. By adjacent side is BX. So XX cancelled, that is equal to A by B. Now this implies, what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. This is sin theta by cos theta. Sin by cos is tan. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to A by B. Now do the cross multiplication. B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. Clear? So this was asked to prove B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. We got this. Hence proved. Clear? Is it clear, students? Yes. Thank you.